It's the most wonderful time of the year. Hello everyone, I'm Joyce and today we'll be making 3 artworks to celebrate Christmas. Our first artwork is something that we can use for music since we're making a simple festive instrument. Second artwork is something we can use for decoration, and afterwards we can also use it for play. The third artwork involves a bit of science. So how about let's begin?
For our Christmas maracas, we'll need 2 clear bottles, rice, beans, a funnel, and paint. Let's pour some rice into the bottle. We can use a funnel to do that. To challenge our kids' fine motor skills, we can let them use their hands or even a spoon to fill up the bottle. I'm using green beans for the other bottle. It creates a louder sound than the rice bottle. We can use paint to decorate our maracas. Older kids can also add glitter if they want. Younger kids can use stickers to decorate.
Wow, now we have our festive Christmas maracas. Let's sing a song together. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Merry Christmas!
For our Santa's beard, we'll need glue, cotton, and we can create a simple Santa head using cardboards and markers. Let's glue Santa's beard. I've made Santa's chin bigger and wider so that kids will have more space to add his beard. We can let kids roll the cotton into balls, or just let them pull it apart before gluing it on Santa's face. This is a simple way to encourage tactile play.
adorable are our little Santa hats with their special beard, right? So we have our Santa with the tissue beard over here, very straight. This is our Santa with the curly paper beard that I've used some old calendar pages right there. And of course we have our Santa with the fuzzy, fluffy cotton beard that we can let the kids to play with and touch around. See, right there, right? And he's smiling a lot. So not only can these be used for decorations, and we can also use this to teach them how to control or how to use scissors after the Christmas holiday. Santa hat, Santa beard.
This is an interesting way to teach kids how to use scissors. Please remember to let younger kids use safety scissors, while older kids can use regular scissors with parents' supervision. We're also supporting kids' imagination as we encourage them to trim Santa's beard. For our salt art, we'll need salt, glue, marker, paper, food coloring, and eyedropper. I'm using a plastic straw. We can draw some simple Christmas-themed items such as Christmas tree, gift box, and Santa's hat. Now let's fill the drawings with glue. Sprinkle salt all over the drawings. Allow some time for the glue to dry. Shake off the excess salt. We can now start painting. Using eyedroppers, add colored water onto the drawing, one drop at a time. Then, observe as the colors spread as they are absorbed by the grains of salt. Salt absorbs or soaks up the water because it is hygroscopic. Hygroscopic means that salt absorbs water vapor from the surrounding air. To make it more festive, I've added some glitter.
Ta-da! And we have our salt painting. So once it completely dries, we can let our kids to touch it and feel the raised bumps of the salt on their painting or on their artwork. I hope that you all had fun making our 3 Christmas-themed artworks for today. This is your friend Joyce signing off for now. See you next time and Merry Christmas! Bye!